Good morning, visionaries, patients, subscribers, and members of our Facebook group. Today, I'm going to talk about the pinhole test. Now, what the heck is the pinhole test? Now, if you look at modern mobile phones, you will see that there's two little lenses there, but if you look carefully, you'll see that it's actually a hole. Now, why does all mobile phones, just about all mobile phones, only have a little hole in like this? Now, it's very simple. Think about in the good old days when they took the first pictures. I mean, like donkey years ago. They had these guys with you remember them in the movies. They had like a black cape over them. They looked like Batman. And then they were like behind the camera and there was a small little hole. That was it. And all they did is they just did open and close this with them trying to be as dark as possible inside. And why did they do this? Because if you look at a pinhole, if you look at this lens here, you'll see that this is the lens that we use in the practice. It's called a pinhole lens. And I use this literally just about every day. Now, why would I use this lens? Very simple, because a pinhole, and if you think about those pictures, your old family pictures, you'll always see they're pretty clear, but they're a little bit fuzzy. Not fuzzy, but there's not enough light. They're a little bit dark around the edges, because that's the one drawback of a pinhole lens. It takes away the light. But what it does is it actually lets through the perfect beam in the middle that doesn't need any lens to be focused. So, if you have an unexplained vision loss, and you want to know how serious that is, maybe you haven't checked your vision in both eyes for a long time, and one day you just wake up and you just do that and you go, well, I can't see so well. And you want to get an idea of, do I need to rush to the optometrist, the doctor, the eye specialist, or is it something which I don't have to worry about? You need to do the pinhole test, because the pinhole takes away all that aberration, that distortion, which you would normally have if you have a spectacle problem. So I just used literally a cap of a shaving cream holder, made a little hole in the thing, and all you have to do is cover the one eye, the one that you can see with, hopefully. Look through the hole and put the pinhole side close to your eye and see if you can actually see better. Now, if you can see better, it means that you most likely only have a prescription problem. Your eyes might have changed, you didn't notice it, and this will clear it up the same way as what they did like 140 years ago to take pictures. And that's why all mobile phones have these type of pinhole lenses. And they also just started with one, and then they made another one, and a lot of the new ones have got 3 lenses in to give you that portrait mode, to give you some 3D. But this is what you need to do if you want to actually ask yourself, how serious is this vision problem? Now, if you cannot see through the pinhole lens, it might be a bit more serious. Then you might need to go and see the doctor or the specialist then. So this is a very simple, easy test to do. And we do it every day. In the practice, if I test a patient's eyes and we actually can't get him to see perfect, I have a look, let him put the pinhole lens in, and can he actually see better with the lens? Then I need to spend a bit more time to try and get my refraction correct. But if he can't see better through the pinhole lens, it might be an eye health problem. So this is a very simple way to actually give you an idea of the seriousness of any vision loss. Now, I just used a couple of pipe caps for our local doctors. We had 100 of these things made. And again, I just gave them to the doctor. And if the patient arrives at the doctor's rooms and he can't see, the doctor literally just closes the one eye, asks him to look through the pinhole lens. Does he see better? Yes, he sees better. The doctor will then tell him, just go and see your optometrist. You might need some new glasses. But if it's a sudden vision loss, then it might be more serious, especially if you can't see better through the pinhole lens. And that is why we use pinhole lenses in optometry, in my practice, on a daily basis, because some of our patients really have some difficult eyes, and you'll see there's a video about that as well. And this is what we need to do without actually using too much technology. And this is the key part. So, you can do 101 tests, but this is where we start. Because if the guy doesn't see better through the pinhole lens, we know something is going on. And then it's the puzzle to try and find out precisely what's going on. Why isn't he seeing clearer through the pinhole lens? And that then is the key part to making the right and correct diagnosis. But the first part is just doing a pinhole test. Very simple. Grab hold of a bottle cap, a shaving cap, black one, make a little hole, look through it, and that's about it. Done and dusted. That's the pinhole lens test.